Choosing the right website builder can be confusing when you want to make a site for your business, portfolio, blog, or online store. Two popular tools that many beginners or professionals use are Wix and Webflow. Build the website without writing lots of code, but they are very different in how they work and who they are best for. In this video, I will explain both tools in a simple way so you can decide which one fits you. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share these special offers to help you save money while using powerful tools. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the links in the description to get the special offer links for the tools we discussed today. By using the description links, discounts that will be applied automatically, so you get the best value without any extra step. First of all, let's talk about the Wix first. Wix is one of the easiest website builders to use. It has a simple drag and drop editor builder, which means you can just click on the things and you can move them around on the screen. And you don't need to know about coding and you can build a good looking website in a short time. Wix also has a very large library of templates. Basically, these are the pre-made designs you can pick and customize. With so many choices, you can find a style that fits your business and personal brand. Wix also has many apps you can add to your website for extra features, as like the contact form, booking system, chat support, and many more. This makes Wix a great option if you want a full website with many features without learning complicated tools. Another plus is that Wix offers strong support including articles, tutorial, live chat support, which is very helpful when you are just starting out. Wix also include the hosting and free security like SSL certificate, which means your site is safe and ready for visitors. The main limitation with Wix is that once you choose a template, you often cannot switch to another template without rebuilding your site. Also, if you want total control over every design detail, Wix might feel a bit limited compared to more advanced tools. Now let's talk about the Webflow. Webflow is more powerful builder that gives you a lot of control over how your website looks and works. Instead of a basic drag and drop editor, Webflow uses a design tool that reflects how your site will look. And it uses the real web design standards like HTML and CSS. This means you can make very precise design, animation, and custom layouts. Webflow produces the clean, optimized code behind the scenes, which can make your site faster and more professional. Webflow also has a built-in content management system or CMS, which is great if you want to build a blog, news site, or website with many pages that are updated often. With Wix, you can control how content is organized and displayed with a lot of flexibility. For designers, agencies, and businesses that need professional grade sites, Webflow gives a freedom that simple builder do not give. However, this power comes with a learning curve. Webflow can be more difficult for beginners because you need to understand how the design system works and you need to spend more time to learning the interface. But if you want total design flexibility and you are willing to learn, Webflow can be very rewarding. Comparing these two, Wix win when it comes to being easy and fast to use, especially for beginners or small business. You can build a good website quickly without technical knowledge. Wix also gives you many ready-made features and apps that integrate easily into your site. Webflow wins when you need advanced customization, professional layouts, and deeper control over every detail of your website design. It's also stronger for content heavy sites or when you want clean and responsive code. So which one should you choose? If you are building your first website and want something simple and quick, Wix probably is the best choice for that case. But if you care more about unique design, performance, and custom control, and you are ready to learn more, Webflow could be a better choice. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the difference between Wix and Webflow. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple tutorials and take tips like this, then subscribe this channel. And also don't forget to use the link from description to get your special offers. Discount will be applied automatically when you use that links. Now I will see you in the next video where we explore more tools to make your online work easier and more effective.